Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the quotient rule for exponents. If a is any non-zero real number and m and n are integers, then a to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So what does all this mean? A in this case is any number that is not zero. And that is the key here, because remember, we can't have 0 in our denominator. And for quotient rule for exponents here, these values will be the same. The exponents will be different numbers. And then m and n, the exponential numbers here, will be integers. So they can be positive numbers, they could be negative numbers, they can even be 0 sometimes. That can pop up too. So all we're doing here is taking the difference, or subtracting their exponents. Unlike product rule, where we were multiplying the same bases, we were adding the exponents. For quotient rule, we are subtracting the exponents with those same bases. So let's look at a couple of examples over here. The first example says 5 to the power of 8 over 5 to the power of 4. Using quotient rule here, bases are the same. So what I can do is subtract the exponents with that same base value of 5. And this is equal to 5 to the power of 4. Simple as that. As long as the base values are the same, the exponents will be subtracted from each other, particularly the top number minus the bottom number, and you have your answer. Let's take a look at this example here, because I just said that we would do top number minus bottom number. So when we do it here, we'll do 2 minus 9, but this gives us a negative exponent. Interesting. Whenever this is the case, always rewrite your solution with a positive exponent. So just to do that, all you're going to do is take the reciprocal of this, like so. Just rewrite using a positive exponents, because the majority of the time we will not be having our final answer with a negative exponent. We will always rewrite them with positive exponents like this. Let's look at this last one. Here we have negative exponents. Like I said, that can happen sometimes. Bases are the same. So all we do is negative 3 minus negative 7. Let me put that in parentheses. So we are subtracting a negative number. When this is the case, we will add, because we're subtracting a negative here. So this is negative 3 plus 7 now. Here, that exponent is now positive, and that positive value is 4. That's really it for quotient rule for exponents. Just remember, the bases must be the same. You have a numerator and a denominator, with those exponents being two different numbers. Do the top number minus the bottom number, and you're good to go. When you have the larger value on the bottom of that fraction, expect the answer to stay in the denominator for the final answer. And always remember signs. So when you have a negative, or you have subtraction of a negative, remember that's addition. And then the rule for quotient rule for exponents is right here for reference. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you later.